Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tire on an Audi A5. First, ensure your safety by parking on a level, stable surface, well away from any traffic. Engage your parking brake and activate your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Before you begin, locate your spare tire, the vehicle's jack, and the lug wrench, which are usually found in the trunk. These initial steps are crucial for a safe and efficient tire change. Once prepared, use your lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn, but do not remove them yet. Next, carefully position the jack under the designated jacking point on your Audi A5's frame, typically near the flat tire. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, ensuring stability throughout the process. With the car lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts and carefully take off the flat tire. Set it aside in a safe place. Now, retrieve your spare tire and align it with the wheel studs on the hub. Gently push the spare tire onto the studs until it sits flush against the hub. Hand tighten the lug nuts back onto the studs, ensuring they are snug but not fully tightened yet. Finally, carefully lower your Audi A5 until the spare tire is fully on the ground, then remove the jack. Use the lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. Remember to check the spare tire's pressure as soon as possible and drive cautiously to a service center. For more great tips on managing your finances and making smart money choices, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other deals. Stay safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.